Hello everyone, my name's Matteo Bradicich. I'm a 25 years old Italian MD working at the Respiratory Pathophysiology and Rehabilitation Unit at the Cisanello University Hospital in Pisa, Italy, under the supervision of Professor Pierluigi Paggiaro. I also collaborate as a honorary researcher at the Nuffield Department of Medicine of Oxford in the United Kingdom under the supervision of Professor Ian Payward. I'm here at the 5th International Workshop on Lung Health as a rising star. My main topic is severe asthma, and I'm also presenting a poster here, and I have been invited to take part to the mentoring program where two respiratory medicine experts, Professor James Chalmers and Professor Stefano Aliberti, have been guiding us through all this international workshop, and they taught us how to retain the most important take-home messages during all the conference and all the topics that have been covered on respiratory medicine. I would suggest to participate and apply for posters and for Rising Star, since this is a very interesting and stimulating opportunity to gain visibility, experience, and to get positive, constructive feedbacks from the experts in respiratory medicine.